So today we are doing a Parks of Perth video. We haven't done one for a little while and there are a couple of reasons for that. Well, really mainly just one, and that is because it has been the school holidays for the past couple of months here, and so all public parks are packed with people. And even though we've still gone to parks while they've been packed with people, I feel a lot less comfortable filming parks when they're packed with people, just because it's a lot easier to film when it's nice and empty. So today we've come to a park called Pier's Place, and it's at Whiteman Park. It's probably about a 30-minute drive from Perth. It is a pretty new park. I think it only opened a couple of weeks ago, maybe a couple of months ago now. And it is very quiet today. This is our second time coming. The first time we came here, it was absolutely packed, and that was in the school holidays. And it may have also been on a weekend, but I'm not sure. But anyway, it was so packed when we came the first time, and it is quite quiet today. So it'll be a nice opportunity to show you guys this awesome little park, and I will leave the details of the park in the description. What do you like about this park, Evan?
I like those tire swings that you go like this. I like the tires, but they go up and down with you, so it feels like you're doing the same. Your head is doing the same, but your body is.
What do you like about this park, Pearl?
The car.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. What? No, I love going up there, and then I was going
down the slide?
Yeah.
What about you, Rufus? What do you like about the park?
Going down the grey slide.
Oh, the really big slide?
Yeah. Yeah, my turn. I like the monkey bar.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what about you, Otto?
And I like going higher than the slide.
Oh, wow.
You can go higher than the slide, actually.
Oh, cool. So there's this big lighthouse there, isn't there?
Yeah. And you can go higher than the slide. Did you know that?
I think so. There's like a lookout at the top.
It's not like this. What is he's using that?
Oh. So there's lots of wooden structures that the kids like walking along and hopping along. All of these little logs.
Wow.
Wow, Felix does such a great job at the monkey bars. Yeah.
Way harder.
You right?
You can only do a little bit.
That was really great, Felix. Good job, buddy. And then what do we have over here, guys?
I like that thing. I'm going to.
Like a big climbing rope.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I can jump the most.
And there's a big ship here. A pirate ship or any kind of ship. And then over here we have the lighthouse with a huge slide down it. Yeah. And there's this big thing you can climb up. You guys gonna show us how you get up?
And I can get up like this one.
I think that's a slide. Wow.
It's a slippery slide. I can even get up it.
Are you gonna go down? No?
Go down the bigger slide.
Okay.
Yeah, and also, and then you go down
Woo. I think the kiddos are going up the lighthouse now. So they're climbing to the top. And there's this huge slide to go all the way down. Not going down the slide, Pearl? Oh, you went down the other one, did you?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh,
Oh, were you?
yeah.
Who's coming next?
I see you.
Hi, Rufus.
Doesn't matter.
Hi, Felix.
That's supposed to rocking.
Are you coming, Otto? Hi, Hank.
Everyone
Oh, yeah. So there's more climbing over here. These things are really cool. They look a little bit like didgeridoos. And they've got like little platforms to climb on them. And here you've got a water fountain, and then the water drips through here and under the bridge. Oh, so this is a car, is it?
Yeah, I'm going to say
Kind of looks like a car because there's a wheel. Or maybe a cart of some kind. Hop on. All right. Who's driving?
me.
So there's this cart thing here, and there's another one over there. So this park has toilets just out there, and it also has picnic areas that you can hire. You can book them ahead. It's got barbecues as well, or sometimes they're just available, but that probably isn't very likely on weekends. So this area is for smaller children, I'm guessing. It'd be good for toddlers, perhaps babies. Yeah. Everything's a lot lower here.
And look what you can do.
Oh, cool. Yes, it's like the same, but it's little. And some swings over there. And as we look over here, we've got these interesting dome-shaped kind of structures that you can climb up. Oh, big eggs. They could, or maybe dinosaur eggs. What do you reckon? Dinosaur eggs?
We are the daddy. We are the baby. Is it the baby dinosaurs? No, we are the Tikis and the eggs.
And so what happens when you go up there? Who's up there? Is that you, Hank? Where are you? Hi. What's this over here?
So you can construct your own things using these.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
I think it's like what you saw over there.
It looks pretty cool. Little hut, a little hut. There's some over here, Otto. Awesome. And here's another way up to the lighthouse over here. So this is what you said was your favourite thing at the park, Evan?
Yeah.
Looks like fun. You'll have to wait your turn, Hank. I think there's only 3. Yeah. And over here we have a big flying fox. Woo. Who's next? Whose turn is next?
Rufus!
Are you having a turn next, Rufus?
Yeah.
Awesome. Whoa, Felix! Whoa! Your turn now, pal?
Yeah.
Yours was good. Was that fun, Hank? Go! Can you guys see there's a kookaburra? It's on the top of the swing set. It's right there. There's lots of seating and tables and some grass here too, which is really nice for a picnic. Oh, there's just so much to do at this park. What's this over here, guys? If I stand on this and wobble it. Whoa! Oh, careful, Felix. Sit down, buddy. So all the other kids are playing hide and seek, aren't they, Pearl?
Yeah.
So guys, that is Pia's place at Whiteman Park. I hope you guys enjoyed this Parks of Perth video, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!
Bye. Turn it off. Fishy and bunny.